Hello, hi, namaskar. Myself Kisan Das from Cuttack. I have been associated with Dash tutorial since 2014, and in 2017 I got my first job and joined as mail guard in Indian Post Department. I was also selected in RRB NTPC 2015 batch as goods guard. I have also cleared various examinations and got around 5 jobs in various government departments. Since 2017, I was working as a mail guard in Indian Post Department. When I joined this tutorial, I was very weak in maths and GK, especially in GK. Das sir was very supportive. He always guided me to do better. He always focused in subjective knowledge. He always told us that if your base is strong, then you will never lose anywhere. So I, under his guidance, improved a lot in maths, especially maths shortcut tricks and GK, and then got my job. I thank Das sir for being with me and guided me to get a job. Thank you, sir, for being with us. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. I am Mr. Sanjay Kumar Das from Odisha, Cuttack से. चलिए आज हम एक मिसलानियस सेट 8 शुरू करते हैं. आपका सिलेबस में 30 चैप्टर है, मोस्टली 30 चैप्टर है और 30 चैप्टर में ईच चैप्टर में एक एक मैथ वहां है. सो इस क्लास में आई एम ट्राइंग टू कवर the total syllabus of the competitive exam. So let's start. Number 1. In a question on division, the divisor is 7 times. The divisor is 7 times the quotient. So where is the quotient? Where is the divisor? Where is the dividend? Look. This is divisor. Right? This is quotient. Right? This is dividend. This is dividend. Here is remainder. Right? So, let's go to the question. The divisor is 7 times the quotient. Right? Go forward. And 3 times. Who is 3 times? The divisor is 3 times. The divisor is 3 times the remainder. So, remainder is 28. Here is remainder 28. The question is given. But according to the question, the divisor is 28 into 3 is equal to 84. Am I right? Then we move to first line. We move to the divisor is 7 times the quotient. 84 divided by 7, 12. When you look, the divisor 84, 7 times of the quotient. So finally, we come to the conclusion how to find the dividend. The dividend formula, divisor into quotient, 84 into quotient 12 plus remainder 28, 12 for 48, 8 carry 4, 12, 8, 96, 4, 100 plus 28. So the final answer is 1036. It is the answer. Number 2. 5 bells begin together, told respectively at an interval of 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 seconds. 12 seconds. After how many seconds they told together? I have a given example to you. Suppose two bells. One is told in 3 seconds, other is told in 2 seconds. Suppose they told simultaneously. 3 to LCM is 6, 3 is divisible by 6, and other 2 is also divisible by 6. So, after 6 minutes, they told together, but the first one told 2 times, the second one told 3 times, but they told together. So, taking the LCM, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Sorry, 12. LCM 2, 2, 3, 6, 7, 2, 4, 8, 9, 2, 6, 12. Next, 2, 3, 7, 2, 2, 4, 9, 2, 3, 6. Then 3, 3, 1, 3, 7, 2, 3, 3, 9, 3, 1, 3. So, they are the prime numbers. We don't move forward. So that the LCM is 2, 2, 4, 3, 12, 12, 7, 12, 7, 84 into 6, 80 into 6, 480, 6 into 4, 24. So that 480, 24 is 504 seconds. Is the answer. Number 3. 70 root 2 minus root 18 whole divided by root 12 is dash. The value. So, we find the value. 72 is 32 into 2. Square root, 36 into 2. So, square root of 36 is 6. 2 root over root 2 minus 18 root over 18 is 9 into 2. Root over 9 is 3. 3 root 2. Very much easy. 12 root over 4 into 3. 4 root over 2. 3 root over root 3. 2 root 3. So, 6 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is 3 root 2 by 2 root 3. So, here is 2 root 3. But the answer is not 3 root 2 by 2 root 3. So, how we find the answer? So, this is a irrational number. So that root 3 and root 3 multiplied in both the numerator and the denominator. So, 3 root 6 divided by 2, 3, 6. 3 to 6 is equal to root 6 by 2. Here is the answer. Next, number 4. This type of series, if given in a question, so there must be a certain rule there or trick there. Now how to solve it? So that the trick is 3 minus root 8 multiplied by 3 plus root 8 in denominator. Why? Now it is minus. If you take it is plus, then it is a square minus b square. We get a value. Right. If we multiply 3 plus root 8 in denominator, so we must multiply it with the numerator. After that, this one, 9 minus 8, a square minus b square. Here is a plus b, a minus b. So multiply them. So that 9 minus 8, here is 1. But here, 3 plus root 8. Here, root 8 minus root 7. If we multiply root 8 plus root 7. Then 8 minus 7, a square minus b square. So it is also 1. But in numerator, minus is here. Minus is here. So that common is here. Multiplied by root 8 plus root 7. Am I right? Root 8 plus root 7. Root 8 plus root 7. Root 8 minus root 7. Root 8 plus root 7. As a square minus b square. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So that like this. We move. So it is plus. Here is plus. Root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 plus root 6. Guys, this is 1. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. Here minus. Minus is here. Here minus. Bracket. Root 6 plus root 5. Here root 6 plus root 5. A square minus b square is equal to 1. Like this plus. Root 5 plus 2. So this one. Here look. This is 3. Let it 3 here. This is plus root 8. Root 8 is here. Minus root 8. Minus root 8 is here. Minus root 7. Minus root 7 is here. Plus root 7. Plus root 7 is here. Plus root 6 is here. Minus root 6. Minus root 5. Plus root 5. Plus 2. This is the sequence. What do you find? So, root 8 cancelled. Root 7 cancelled. Root 6 cancelled. Root 5 cancelled. So, we get 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So, this is the answer. Next, in what ratio a trader should mix two varieties of tea? Two varieties of tea should he mix? One at 62 rupees per kg and other at 72 rupees per kg. To obtain a mixture worth 65 rupees. So 65 is the mean in between that, between 62 and 72. So it is allegation mixture question. Look at it. 62. This one 72. Mean is 65. So this is the difference between them 3. Difference between them 7. So the final answer is 7 is to 3. This is only the answer. Allegation mixture. When we learn allegation mixture, I will told something about allegation mixture. So, find the number of ways in which 12 different beads can be arranged to form a necklace. When we form a necklace, we use beads. So, the question has not given whether the beads are clockwise or anti-clockwise. Whether both clockwise or anti-clockwise. The question is silent about this. So, remember, if the beads are in round shape, it is n-1 factorial. If beads are straight, it is the factorial of n or n factorial. You remember, you are the competitive students. This is a easy question, these are. So, find the number of ways in 12 different beads. So, the answer will be, when it is circular, the answer is n-1 factorial. When it is straight, suppose beads are in straight, like this. So it is factorial of n, you remember. But when it is in circular necklace, so it is n-1 factorial. But this is the formula, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. But the question has not decided whether it is anti-clockwise or clockwise, so that we take it one time. The question has not told. So, n minus 1, n is 12 different bits. So, n minus 1, 12 minus 1, 12 minus 1 factorial. If the question is asked clockwise and anti-clockwise, answer is 11 factorial. But the question has not asked. The question is silent about this. So this is, we have taken one side. So the answer is 11 factorial by 2. Right? So, for what value of k? The system of equation 2x plus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. And the other equation is 3x plus 4y plus 24 is equal to 0. Have a number of solution. The question is, when the question have an infinite number of solution, then how they behave. The A, suppose it is A1, it is A2, it is B1, it is B2, it is C1, it is C2 in a system of equation. When the solution is infinite, then A1 by A2, you remember the formula. I go through the topic in fundamental, but here A1 by A2, B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, very much clear. Have an infinite number of solution, then this is the formula. So where is A1? 2 by where is A2? 3 is equal to where is B1? 4, B2 K, where is K? B2? C1 by C2, 16 by 24. Look here, this is 2 by 3, this is also 2 by 3. If we reduce by 8. So the equation is set like this. The solution is have an infinite number of solution. So when we find the k, so k is 4 into 3 by 2, 2 to 4. So k is 6. Here is the answer. Number 8. The average of 20 numbers is calculated as 35. It is discovered later on that while calculating average, one number 85 was misread as 45. Here is the question. 85 was misread as 45. So the original value is 85, misread as 45. So the average is 85 minus 45 is equal to 40 more. So average, if we find, suppose the average of 20 notes is calculated as 35. So 35 average, 35 numbers, 20 total 700. But this is the real value which is not inside it. But this is the false value which is inside it. So the difference is 40. If we 40 more here, so this is the real total. So the 20 numbers, so the total is 740. So average is new average, but the correct average is 740 by 20, 23, 60, 140, 140, 27, 140. So the answer is 37. 37. Next. What should be added to? What number should be added or subtracted from a ratio 17:24 so that it becomes equal to 1:2? In question, you put the answer, take the answer and put on the question. How? Suppose 5 is subtracted. If 5 is subtracted, it is 12. If 5 is subtracted, it is 19. So the ratio is 12 is to 19. But our requirement is 1 is to 2, or the question is asked. So this is not the right answer. So if we come to B, 10 is subtracted. So if you subtract 10 17 from 17, it is 7. If we subtract 10 from 24, so it is 14. So from this, it is 7 is it to 14. If we subtract this, so we get 1 is to 2. What is the question has, the answer has given 1 is to 2. We take the option, put on the question, and the answer is this. This is the answer. A sphere have a same curved surface. Curved surface of sphere, already I have discussed in before class. Curved surface of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Sphere, curved surface area. A sphere have the same curved surface area. Same curved surface area. As a cone of height. Cone. Suppose this is a cone. Cone of height. This is the radius. This is the height. So what is the height? Of height 40 cm. This one is 40 cm height. And radius 30 cm. This one the radius 30 cm. So this is a right angle triangle. This is the P perpendicular. This is the B base. So how to find H? Now H is equals to P square plus B square root over. Right? So H is equal to P 1600 plus 3900 root over. So 1600, 900, 2500. So H is equal to 50. So it is H is here, H is lateral surface. I have discussed before. So H is equal to 50, this one is 50. This is the lateral surface of the cone, which is 50 cm. Then, when the question is asked, the volume of the sphere is equal to the volume, curved surface area of the sphere is equals to curved surface area of the cone. So what to be the curved surface area of the cone? Pi r L. This is cone. Pi r L. So 4 pi r square is equals to pi is here into r. Find r. It is 30. Here is r. So it is 30. And L is, we find L is 50. L is the slant height. Very much clear. I have discussed before in before class. So that pi cancelled. 4. 2 cancel 2. This is 2 cancel 15. 2 is here, it is cancelled. 25. So r square is equal to 25 into 15. So r is equal to 25 root over 5. 15 root over root 15. So 5 root 15. What the question is asked? The radius of the sphere. So the radius of the sphere. I have taken the radius of the sphere. Capital R. So this is capital R. 5 root 15. So this is the answer. Next. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of a triangle. One angle of a triangle. Suppose this is the angle. Is equal to half of the. Is equal to half of the. To whom half? Now half of the. Other two equal angle. The question is given equal angle. that must be show the angle are must 60 degree. Then how to prove? See, this angle is equal to half of the sum of 120, half of the sum of the two equal angle. These two angles are also equal. So each angle of this triangle is 60 degree. So it is a equilateral triangle. Right? Next, the perimeter of a rhombus is 40 cm. Perimeter of a rhombus. Here is a rhombus. I have already discussed in this set about rhombus. Here is a rhombus. The perimeter of a rhombus is 40 cm. In case of the rhombus, all the sides are equal. If the perimeter is 40 cm, each side is 10 cm. Very much clear? So, it is 10 cm, it is 10 cm, it is 10 cm, it is 10 cm. Rhombus. Then, if one diagonal is 12 cm, suppose it is a diagonal. Suppose it is a diagonal. It's 12 cm. The diagonal is 12 cm. This one, sorry, 12 cm. Diagonal is 12 cm. What is the length of the other diagonal? So, other diagonal is here. So, if it is 10, it is 12. The two diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. So, it is 6. It is a right angle triangle. See, in case of the rhombus, the two diagonals are intersected each other at right angle. I have discussed in before class. So, it is 6, it is 10, it is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, it is the base of the right angle triangle. We want to know what is this. This is the perpendicular of the triangle. So, the other diagonal, the half of the other diagonal, if x, so x is equals to 10 square according to the Pythagoras theorem minus 6 square root over, this means 100 minus 36 root over, this means 64 root over, this means 8 cm. So what will be x? X is this half section. So the whole diagonal is 8 into 2 is equal to 16 cm. The answer is 16 cm. So next, if 10 alpha minus beta is equal to 1 is equal to 1045, you know. If 10 alpha minus beta is 1045, then alpha minus beta is equal to 45. Am I right? If sec alpha plus beta 2 by root 3, this means sec alpha plus beta is equal to sec 30. Sec 30. This is 1045. This is sec 30. So, alpha plus beta is 30. So, what the question is asked? Find alpha. So, what will be alpha? B cancelled. So, 2 alpha is equals to 75 degree. Alpha is 75 by 2, 37 half degree. So, here is the answer. Right? Understand? Then move. Number 14. Rohim sells a machine for 48 lakh at a loss. Sells a machine 48 lakhs at a loss. Loss is not given. So, had he sold it for 60 lakhs, this means it is CP. Loss 48 lakhs. Loss means left hand side 48 lakhs. If he sold it for 60 lakhs, sold it means Sold means when profit has occurred. If profit has occurred, the number is after CP. So here is the 60 lakh after CP. And the question is asked, his gain is what? 5 times the former loss. If loss is X, it is 5X. Right? So, the difference is 6X. Difference is, but monetary difference is 12 lakh. Here you look. So, 6X is 12 lakh. So, X is 2 lakh. Am I right? So, if we plus 2 lakh here, loss is 2 lakh. Loss is 2 lakh. If 2 lakh is plus here, then we reach the CP. It is 15 lakhs is the CP. That is 15 lakhs is the CP. Right? Understand? Then the SI on a certain sum at 5% per annum. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. For 3 years and 4 years. 3 years, 4 years, 1 year. What he gets interest? Capital, what may be. What may be the capital? We don't know. 1 year interest is 5%. But 3 years and 4 years, differ by 42. 42 rupees differ. So this is the 5% interest. Differ by 42. This is the 5% interest. So 5% is equals to is mean 42. We need the sum is 100%. If sum is 100 rupees and interest is 5 rupees, then we can say the rate of interest is 5%. Yes or no? So 5% is 42. So our sum is 100%. So it is 20 times. 20 times. So it is 20 times. 2 to 4. 2 for 8. 840. The sum is, here is the answer. Number 16. If A, A minus 2, 3A are in a P, then A is equals to. In the previous class or before class, I have discussed a C. So please see this here. The properties of AP, arithmetic progression, is third term minus second term is equal to second term minus first term. In before class, I have discussed about arithmetic progression. So, I come to the third term minus second term is equal to second term minus first term, right? So, if we simplify it, 3A minus A plus 2 is equals to A minus 2 minus A cancel. 3A minus A is equal to, this implies it is 2A is equal to, minus 2 is here 2, this 2 minus 2, so this is equal to minus 4, so A is equals to minus 2. This is the answer. Here is the answer. Next, in a 300-meter race, A beats B by 15 meter or 5 seconds. Who beats? A beats. To whom beats? B beats. A's time over the course. So, 15 meter in 5 seconds. It is in case of B. A beat B by 15 meter. A B 15 meter behind A on on the goal post. So B is 15 meter in 5 seconds. So 300 meter in, this is 20 times. C, 15, 300. 300 is 20 times of 15. So 20 times of 5 seconds is 100 seconds. It is B's time, not H. But A beat him 9 seconds. Sorry, 5 seconds. So H time is equals to 100 minus 5 is equals to 95 seconds. Am I right? 95 seconds is the answer. Next. At what point of time after 3 o'clock clock, hour hand and minute hand are right angle? Very much important question it is. C. What is the question? After 3 o'clock, hour hand and minute hand are right angle for the first time. This means after 3 o'clock for the first time, you understand, in an hour, one time, 2 hour hand and minute hand creates a 90 degree. So the question is, for the first time after 3 o'clock, for the first time, in which time the minute hand and the hour hand are right angle. So you have to remember a formula. I shall give 60 by 11. Very much clear when it is right angle. This formula is when it is right angle. 16 by 11 whole into n plus 3 past 3. The answer is, you remember the formula. So from this, what we get? 60 by 11 whole into n is 3, 3 o'clock, 3 plus 3, this equals to 60 by 11 into 3 plus 3, 6. This is 360 by 11. This is 11, 3, 33, 3, 0, 11, 2, 22, 8 and 11. Past 3. Past 3. So the answer is 3 hour, 32 and 11, 8 by 11. This is the answer. Next. A can swim 3 kilometers in still water. From this we know B is equals to 3 kilometers per hour. 3 kilometers in still water. This is the man and boat equal. If the velocity of the stream 2 kilometers per hour, stream is 2 kilometers per hour. Am I right? The time taken by the swimmer to a place 10 kilometers upstream and then back means downstream. So from this figure we find upstream is boat minus stream 1 kilometer per hour. Like this, downstream is 3 to 5, boat plus stream 5 kilometer per hour. But the question is, the time taken by the swimmer to a place 10 kilometer upstream. So 10 kilometer upstream, 1 kilometer in 1 hour. So 10 by 1 plus other is 10 kilometer returning journey downstream. This question is the time taken. This is the time taken. So this is the distance. This is the speed. Distance by speed is equal to time. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So the answer is 12. 12 hours. Number 20. If 1q plus 2q plus 3q plus 9q and 10q is a very much simple question. The formula is also simple. So the formula is n whole into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is the formula of the cube. So how the final answer? It is 10. Here is 10. into n plus 1 means 11 by 2 whole square. The question is given, sorry, the formula is given. So 2, 5 cancelled, 11, 5, 55, 55 square, 5 square, 25, 5 after number 6, 6, 5, 30. The answer is 3025. Here is the answer. Next come to x square by yz plus y square by zx plus z square by yx is equal to 3. But the question is asked x plus y plus z whole cube is what? So the simple question, the LCM is x, y, z, x, y, z, y, z cancelled, x, here is x square, so this is x cube. Likewise, this is y cube. Likewise, this is z cube is equal to 3. If we take this to this, then this implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3x yz. When I go to algebra, then I shall discuss about this. So you just remember, if x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 3xyz, then x plus y plus z is 0. If x plus y plus z is 0, then it is possible x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So from this we come x plus y plus z is equal to 0. If you cube this 0 cube, it is also 0. So the answer is 0. Next question. The difference between the discount of 35% and 2 successive discount of 20% on a certain bill is 22. What is 22? Now the difference is 22. In between what? Now the discount of 35% and 2 discount of 20%. Question is very much simple. If it is the 100 rupees, so 35% discount. So out of 135 discount, so it is 65. If 2 successive discount of 20%, then if it is 100, first 20%, it is 80, then 20%, 20% of 80 is equal to 16. 20% of 80 is equal to 16. So this is 64. 20 16. 80 minus 16, 64. So, but in this case, what is the difference? 1. 1 is the difference. When 1 is the difference, what is the mark price? 100. So when 1 is the difference, mark price is 100 rupees. So if when 22 rupees is difference, so the mark price is 2,200 rupees. This is the answer. Here is the answer. The difference between the SI and CI on 40,000 for 3 years at 8% per annum. So first we apply the formula. So what to be the formula? The formula is 3 years. 3 years ka formula. 3 years. So 3 years. CI, SI, difference for 3 years. Right? So what is? So this is, what is the formula? PS square whole into R plus 300 divided by 100 cube. So what is given? 40,000 is P. So in 40,000 is P. R square. R is 8%. So 64. 8 square into 8%. 308 by 100 into 100 into 100. So 20, 20, 40, cancel. If you solve this is 4 into 64 into 308 by 100. If you solve it, the answer would be A is equal to 788 rupees 48 paise. So the answer is here. If you solve it, the answer is 788.48. Here's the answer. You solve it. Next, two pipes P and Q can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 15 minutes. So P 12 minutes, 1 minute, 1 by 12 parts. Q 1 by 15 parts. 15 parts. So both open together. Both are opened. After 3 minutes means both running for 3 minutes. P is turned up. So after 3 minutes, this one LCM is 60, 5, 4, 9 by 60. This is 3 by 20 parts is filled. 60 into 3. Here is the 3. So here is the 3. Here is the 3. So 9 by 20 parts are filled. So out of 20 parts, 9 parts filled. Out of 20 parts, remained is 11 parts. So remained is 11 by 20 parts. Who filled it? Now time taken by Q to fill the tank. Q. 1 water, 15 minutes. Q. 1 water, 15 minutes. 11 by 20 water in 15 into 11 by 20. So it is 5-3. So it is 5-4. 33 by 4. 33 by 4 minutes. Right? So this equals to 8 and 1 by 4 minutes. So this is the answer. Number 25. A and B can do a piece of work in 15 days. A plus B, 1 day work, 1 by 15. B and C in 12 days. B and C, 1 day work, 1 by 12. Then C and A in 10 days. So C plus A, 1 day work, 1 by 10. Right? How many days? A do the work. A do the work. How many days? A does the work. Right? So, look at this. 1 by 15 is 4 by 60. 1 by 12 is 5 by 60. 1 by 10 is 6 by 60. Simple thing. So, out of 60 parts, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, if we plus them, 2 whole into A plus B plus C has come out from this. And from this, 5, 4, 9, 6, 9, 5, 4, 9, 6, 15 by 60. 1 day what? 15 by 60. It means 1/4 of the work. Who has done? 2 whole into A plus B plus C 1 day work. If only A plus B, so it is into 2 is equal to 1 by 8 parts of work. Oh, A plus B plus C, 1 day work, 1 by 8. But the question is asked, how many days A does the work? Only A does the work. So from A plus B plus C, 1 by 8. If I subtract B plus C, then what to B plus C? B plus C is 1 by 12. Then we find the age parts of work. So it is 24, 3 minus 2, it is 1 by 24 parts of what? 8 hours in one day. The total work 8 hours. 24 days. Here is the answer. Next. In an office, 40% of the staff is female. Suppose 100 staff, right? 40% is staff is female. If 40 female, then 60 male. This is very much clear. 70% of the female and 50% of the male staff are married. 70% of the female, 70% of the female married. So 30% of the female unmarried. So 30% of 40, 30% of 40 is equal to 12 unmarried. Then 50% of the male staff married. Then the percentage of unmarried staff, male 50%, married 50%, unmarried. So 50% of 60 is 30. So total how many unmarried? 42. Out of what? 100. So 42% is unmarried. Next. Rajan and Sajan started a business initially with rupees 14,200 and 15,600 respectively. So that I am telling to you, always the profit portion, the profit ratio is equal to the investment ratio. So the investment ratio is Rajan, Sajan. The investment ratio is Rajan 14,200, Sajan 15,600. So the ratio of the investment is, look, 0 0 cancel, sorry, 6 0 0, 0 0 cancel. If we cancel it's 2, 2 7 14, 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 14, 2 8, 16. So the investment ratio is 71 is to 78. But what the question is asked, the total profit at the end of the year, rupees 74,500. So 74,500 divided by how many parts? 819, 7714. Look, 74,500 divided 149 parts. Which part is say? What Rajan say? Rajan is 71 part. So into 71 is the Rajan part. So 149 5, 745 0 0, 71 0 0, 51 5 57 35. The answer is 35,500. Understand? Next. One card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. In before class, I have discussed about the cards. So now we conclude to the answer. One card is drawn at random from a pack of cards. The probability of getting a face card. So probability formula. Probability. I have discussed these things. Total event by choiced event. Choiced events, right? Sorry. This is the choiced events by total events. Sorry. Choiced events by total events. Right? So choice events is what the question is asked. The probability of getting a face card. Before class I have discussed. 52 cards, 4 group, each group 13 cards, in between 13 cards, 4 card is the face card. One is Ass, other is Jackal, number 3 is Queen, number 4 is King. So these are the face cards. So the question is, the probability of getting a face card. So that 4 group, each group 4 face card, 4 group 16 face card. So that our choice events is 16. So 16 by total events 52 cards. So that this is 4 by 13 is the probability of the face cards from a pack of 52 cards, right? So here is a last question. The yield of rice. This is the figure. Rice is 120 degree, sugar cane is 80 degree, wheat can 60 degree, steel can 100 degree. These are the yield of annual yield. So that the question is, the yield of rice is how much percent more than the sugar cane? Yield of rice, where is rice? Yield of rice 120 degree. How much it is greater? More than the sugar cane? Sugar cane 80. So greater is 40. 40 greater from whom? Out of 120 or out of 80? Obviously out of 80. 40 is more rich. 120. So out of 80. 40 more. So out of 100. 50 more. So out of 100 means it is 50%. So here is answer. Next, the last one. If the yield of rice and wheat is 9,000 tons, yield of rice and wheat. Where is rice? Here is rice. Where is wheat? Here is wheat. So according to the question, 180 degree is equals to 9,000 tons, right? 9,000 tons. But the question is asked, then the yield of excessive product of others. So others is, excessive products of the others. Others is, one is 100, other is 80. Rice, wheat, 180. Others are 180. So the difference is 20. Excessive product. So if 1 degree is equal to 9,000 tons, then 20 degree is the divided by 9. So if I divided by 9 from this, then it is 1,000 tons. So the answer is 1,000 ton. So this is the 30 math from the 30 chapters of the competitive syllabus. I have crashed out the course. So if you like the video, subscribe it, like it, share it. Thank you.